758. Okay, now the meeting password, is there a place to put, hit join, hit the next button, Lindsay, the blue button, and let's see if it lets you go further. The password? Oh, your screen name? Just type a name, just type Lindsay. Then hit join. Good, 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 good. Okay, hold on. So that's a video preview. All right, what does that blue button say, Lindsay? Yep, click on that. I see you, good job. We got you in there, now I can help you out. Yeah, you see me? Ah, way to go, little girl, you figured it out. Okay, because I didn't turn on my screen. Give me a second. Because I know some students like to make sure they can see who's teaching them. See? Okay. All right, so I'm gonna hang up the phone and then see if it works. Can you hear me or no? Your microphone. You know how to unmute yourself? I'm gonna need you to play with Zoom and get better at this, Lindsay. You got a whole laptop at the crib. Come on, how do you unmute yourself? Let me see if I can help you out. I can. Oh, I like being a teacher. I figured that out for you. All right, say something so I can make sure I can hear you.
So you can hear me?
Yep, I can hear you.
Okay.
I can hear you loud and clear. All right, the next thing is chats. Do you know how to raise your hand? No, not your hand, Lindsay. You're funny. Very funny. I'm talking about digitally. So if I did this, can you do that?
I ain't see you do it in the day.
Yeah, you got to figure it out. Are you in the Zoom app? So I'm gonna share my screen for a second so you can see what I'm seeing, and then you can try to follow along. Okay. So what do you see now?
Your screen map, Google computer.
Okay, and what does it say?
6.86628. And
okay, so you don't see what I think you see. All right, hold on.
Your computer, the Google computer.
Right, but do you see the thing that says physics supplementary? Do you see my mouse?
Yeah, I can see a mouse.
You see my mouse moving around the screen, right?
No, it's not moving, but it's sitting in one spot.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna stop my screen and I want you to try to share your screen.
Oh, it says share right here.
Huh?
Desktop or?
You got to choose which screen you want me to see. It doesn't matter. Just choose one so I can see if it works. So when you're doing your work, you're like, Mr. Tyler, I got a problem with this part of the problem, and I can see what you're seeing. You got to learn how to do this. Because Monday, I'm hoping a lot of y'all got your laptops and we can just move forward.
Okay, can you see something?
Did you click share?
I did, but it's not. Oh.
There you go. Okay. All right. Okay, little lady, you got it. All right. So with that said, you can let go. Show me how to let go of the screen. You know how to get around. You just got to figure it out. Yeah, that's the screen I wanted you to get to. You did figure it out. All right. So hit the stop. There you go. Hit the stop share. There you go. Okay, so I'm going to be doing these meetings, and what will happen is off to the side, almost all your classmates will populate in there, and we'll be going through lessons, trying to get you guys, understanding of the problems. Now, you're in computer science. Have you started on your Scratch program?
Scratch program? What's that about?
Yeah, it's one of your assignments. Okay, so I got to remind everybody now that y'all finally got good equipment now. All right. So look, I want you to at least try to, you can type it up in a Google Doc, which is easier because you got a laptop, or you can handwrite and take a picture. Now, since you got a laptop, I would think it's better if you just type out what you're trying to say. Okay. I want you to check that video out, pause the video, and just type exactly what I did, but replace it with your number. And then we'll go through the calculations on Monday, okay?
Yeah, but I got one question.
Go ahead.
How do I get my background like yours?
Oh, it's called virtual background, Lindsay. So let's see here. You need to, I gotta share my screen, it's gonna be tough. How do I share a screen? You need to go to, you know where your video is? It says stop video, there's a little arrow by it,
Yeah, say stop video.
but don't stop the video. Click the arrow next to it and go to
Up
video settings.
yeah, say
Huh?
video settings.
You found it?
Yeah.
Okay, so when you're in video settings, you'll go to virtual background next. Do you see that?
No.
You want to play with it, Lindsay, because it's hard to see what you're doing. But if you clicked on video settings, it should come up with a settings menu. Huh?
You said this is virtual?
Virtual background.
All I see is video,
Uh-huh.
auto,
Uh-huh.
whatever the ACCI, word.
Can you show your screen?
Yeah.
Show me what you're seeing. You say, yeah. Okay, now show me what you're talking about.
Wait, where the screen go?
Oh, it disappeared. Can you go back to it? It changed. That's why it was hard for me too. So wait a minute, you figuring it out. Okay. Oh, she's playing with stuff. Yeah, okay. That's better. But where did you go to get the video settings?
I don't know, something going on here.
She says something going on now. You probably had to stop the screen to see the original screen you saw. It's probably not going to show you that because that's what I was telling you. It's hard to do or show you. Now, if you go back, you can see it, can't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you share a screen, what happens is it changes everything to where you can't really, you don't need to see the buttons or anything, so you can just work. All right. But play around with it because it's hard to show you without being next to you, and see if you can change your virtual background. Okay. Last thing, I'm gonna type in something here, and let me know if you see the chat message. So you should have a chat open, right? You
Yeah.
see what I typed?
Yeah, you type something.
What did I type?
Hello.
Okay. Cool. All right. Well, you should get started. I'm telling you, you should check out MIT Scratch when you get a chance, because you guys are gonna have to make stories using programming. You've done it before. Okay. But the math problems and everything, you got to do that just to keep your grades up. But you have big science, computer science projects you got to do. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So Monday, you gonna be up?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll open a meeting up around 9:30 because I know most of you guys don't wake up at 8. So 9:30, tell your classmates, you know, who's in that room. I don't know, and then talk to Kimion. She's in there too. You better become best friends with her. She got a
Wait,
straight A in that
all
class.
in there?
Kimion's back in there, yeah.
She is.
But you can go to SB and can y'all see who's in the class with them? I don't know. Are you able to see who's in the class with you?
See what class is she in?
No, see what classmates you have, like who's in the class with you.
Yeah, I can see that little ID picture.
Okay, you can see who's in the class. Okay. All right. Well, you need to get in touch with her because she's already started her storyboarding. So you'll have a jump on what I'm going to talk about on Monday. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Are you staying in the house?
Yeah, today's my last day going out.
Your last day,
Yeah.
your last day going out.
I said
You
you
ain't
went
you ain't supposed to
outside.
been outside, Lindsay. What the?
I had to go get the computer, and then my
Yeah.
pops made me go do more stuff and more stuff. I'm like, dang.
Okay, Lindsay. All right. I'm
But
gonna
yeah, you
let you.
went outside.
You said what?
Look like you went outside.
Well, yeah, I gotta go outside for grocery shopping and stuff, and, just the regular. But I don't do too much.
And fresh haircut.
Yeah, I go jogging, but it's very short distance. It's not, yeah,
You go
maybe not.
jogging.
Huh?
You went jogging today. It's pretty cold out there.
I'm talking about on warmer days. I'm going out jogging, Lindsay. We had some warmer days a couple days ago, but yeah, I do. Not when it's cold. Now I have seen white people up north do that. But look, I got to get this math problem done for you guys, the substitution method. So I'm gonna let you go because that's what I'm preparing
You
for.
gonna post it?
Yeah, I'm gonna post a video. It's gonna be just like this, a Zoom meeting. In fact, if I'm starting a video, you can watch me go through it and ask questions. And then when I end the video, you'll probably be on there. It'll be posted. But yeah, I'm gonna post it in a minute. I'll let you know when I'm about to start it. But first, I got to do the problem over. Make sure all steps are done.
Okay.
All right. See you in a
All
few.
right. You too.